A few weeks ago, I did a live Q&A webinar with ManyChat, and by far the most asked question was, when will the follow to DM feature finally work? And people ask things like, why can only a small percentage of my followers trigger the automation? Why don't I have access to the feature? Why does it work for some accounts but not for others? So in this video, I want to give you an honest update on the current state of the feature and what you should do moving forward. So let's start with the short answer, and that is that right now, many Instagram accounts still don't have access to the feature. And even for many accounts that do have access, the feature doesn't work consistently. And when Meta and ManyChat first launched this feature on October 22, 2025, it was actually a huge deal. Like, this was something that people already waited for a very long time for, and now it was possible to automatically send a DM to new followers, which is just another way to actually get people inside your ManyChat and Instagram DM automations, and maybe make sure that they also become a lead. And initially, like, almost everyone seemed to have access to it, and was all fine. People were happy. I was happy. My clients were happy. It's like, it was good. It was kind of like a party. But over time, problems came. Like, people started reporting issues. Some accounts couldn't use it, some couldn't. Some accounts had access to the feature but barely triggered. And if you looked inside the ManyChat community, more and more people started asking questions. So for example, here is a random post from January where someone is saying that the follow to DM feature isn't available for an Instagram account. And Raquel, one of the ManyChat community managers, actually replied to this and said that this feature is still in beta on Meta's end, and that Meta has some limitations that are preventing certain Instagram accounts from accessing it. And it looks like your accounts are two of the ineligible ones for now. Basically, Meta controls this, so there's nothing that we can do. And that was in January, but even before that, you had like more occasions of people basically saying, hey, it doesn't work for my account, which was a little bit weird because initially Meta and ManyChat basically said, okay, it's available for everyone. And now it seemed that some accounts got access and others didn't. And it wasn't not only people that saw this inside the ManyChat community and they start reporting issues, but even on February 9 or around February 9, 2026, ManyChat even sent out an email. This one is in Spanish, but it basically says that the follow to DM feature has paused in certain markets. And from what I saw at the time is that this appeared to affect primarily South American markets. Although ManyChat didn't provide a complete list, ManyChat and Meta didn't provide a complete list of the affected countries. But basically at this point, we had some accounts with access, some accounts without access, and even some accounts that still had access but couldn't trigger the automation consistently. And then on April 1, what ManyChat did is that they sent out an email, and then inside this email, they basically said, okay, you need to change the Instagram connection that you currently have. It's very simple to do. You just go to settings, you go to channels, Instagram, and then change your Instagram connection. So I also thought that around April 1, like, this is it. Like, this is the fix. Like, we can all use it again. So I also asked some of my clients, like, can you please reconnect it? Because I had some clients that were like pushing me almost every week and saying like, hey, when will this work? And I was like, no idea. So they did that, but even after they did that, then still it worked, but it worked very inconsistently. And then I basically noticed that I went to the help desk article that ManyChat has, and then I noticed they added something that I didn't see before, and nobody told me about this. But here it says the follow to DM automation triggers only once per follower. This was always the case, like, this is not new. But now they said, additionally, Meta allows only one follow to DM message per user per week. If a person follows multiple accounts using this feature, they will receive a message only from the first account they followed. And that actually surprised me a little bit because I hadn't seen this limitation before, but this actually explains a lot what people are also experiencing now. For example, if you start following account A, you can get the follow DM message from account A. But when you start following account B in that same week, you won't get the follow the DM message from account B. So even if your account has access to the feature, many followers may never receive your message because they are already triggered a follow to DM automation once somewhere else that week. So this actually shows the inconsistent behavior. So we basically have people that do have access, but cannot trigger it since the user or the new follower already triggered it with another account that week. So where does that leave us today? Some accounts have access to the feature, most accounts don't. And even if you do have access, Meta limits how often the automation can trigger. So if you've been wondering why follow the DM isn't working consistently, you're probably not doing anything wrong. Most of the issues people are seeing come from Meta's rollout and Meta's restriction. It's also not from ManyChat. This is not a ManyChat issue, it's a Meta issue. And unfortunately, we have no idea on when that will change. I have no idea. I'm a ManyChat educator. Like, I have access to, I would say, information that is first available to me and then available to the rest of you. But I don't know. ManyChat doesn't know. I've asked ManyChat about this several times. They are still waiting for updates from Meta. And if you know Meta, it's Meta. They rarely announce timelines for these kinds of changes. So while I would love to tell you that everything is fine and will be fixed next month, the truth is that nobody really knows. ManyChat doesn't know, I don't know, and Meta maybe even doesn't know. And that's exactly why I wouldn't wait for this feature before you start building all of your Instagram funnels. I wouldn't rely my Instagram strategy too much on this feature. So instead of waiting for Meta to fix this, what should you do? And I created a step-by-step plan. So here are the steps that I recommend doing. The first step that I recommend doing is reconnect your Instagram via Meta Business Suite. This is actually the thing that ManyChat said here on April 1. That's actually the thing that you need to do. It's very simple. You can just go here to your ManyChat account. I would just open it right here. Then what you can do is you can go to settings, go to Instagram, and then here you have the change Instagram connection and then click on connect via Meta. I'm not 100% sure that it will work after this. This is just the first step that you need to take. Because the next step that you need to take is that you need to test if the follow to DM works for your account. Like if it works for your account. If it works, I just recommend using it. Just use the feature. And I actually have a separate video on my YouTube channel that explains how I would use this feature. So if it works for your account and you can use it, please check out this other video as well, because there I explain what you should do, what kind of automation you should set up. But if it doesn't, that's probably for most of you, I would just focus on getting comments and getting DMs from people. And honestly, I don't think this is a huge problem. A lot of people talk about follow to DM as if this is going to completely transform your lead generation. But in my experience, comments and DMs are still way more effective. And let me show you an example. This is an example that I got from one of my clients. Here's her follow to DM message, and here's the comment to DM message. The follow to DM message says, "Hey there, thanks for following me. Now that you're part of this, I would like to share something special as a thank you. Want to check it out?" And this eventually goes to a freebie. And then we have kind of the same thing. It's the same freebie, but then we ask people to comment on one of our posts. And then we say, "It sounds like you're ready to optimize fueling and hit your next level. Just click the button below and I will send over the ultimate fueling guide." And when you look at the differences between those messages, it's actually huge. Here, we only have around 25% of people that clicked. It's still good for a follow to DM message, don't get me wrong. But if you look at the comment message, it's almost 88%. That's almost like 3.5 times as much. And this message is just 3.5 times as much more effective than this message. And that's kind of my main point, is that DMs after a comment or after DM are way more effective than DMs after someone starts following you. And this also makes sense because when someone follows you, they're not necessarily interested in receiving a message from you. They simply decided to follow your content. But when someone comments on a post or sends you a DM, they are actively engaging with you. They're raising their hand, they're showing interest. And that's why comment and DM automations outperform follow to DM automations. So if the feature works for your account, great, use it. But I still wouldn't build my entire strategy around it. I would focus on creating valuable content, giving away freebies, and getting people to comment on one of your posts or send you a DM after seeing a story. That's still the most effective way I have found to generate leads through ManyChat. And if you want to learn how you can build automations that turn half of your commenters into leads, please check out this video.